What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2016 Polaris Slingshot. Guys, this thing is awesome looking. It's got a ton of mods. Alpha Power Sport suspension. It's got some awesome stuff: custom seats, custom exhaust, it's custom steering wheel. It's got the speakers. It's fully loaded, guys. This is the walk around video. I'm gonna show you everything about this bike. Let's start off here. We have a trailer hitch, so if you want to pull some awesome trailer, you can. There's looks like the trailer light hookup right there. It's got these stickers, see ya, on the back. With a simple heat gun, you can get those off. Guys, this is in pretty nice shape. I love this blue and white color combo. It looks amazing. It's got custom, well, it's got upgraded WP exhaust, dual exhaust out the back. Doesn't seem like it's corroded or anything around the gas cap. Pretty good, just some dirt in there, not a huge deal. Super nice. This guy had his name on the side. It looked like Rick Kaufman. It just needs, heat gun will take it off right away. All this plastic underneath is in really good shape. Looks like it's got a LED light strip. If you can see, it goes up there. It does have a light bar in the front as well. Rims are in awesome shape. They're not curved or anything. They look amazing. Front fender. Got some stone chips right there, if you can see that. Pretty common because these things sit so low. Like, people will scrape them up, if you can see that. Kind of along there, if you can see that. Scrapes along that rear, that bottom fender. It's pretty common. Like I said, they ride so low, people scrape them on curbs and stuff. You can't even see them when you take a step back, so it's not that big of a deal. As you can see, guys, LED light bar down there. I just love these things. They look so good. Just so amazing. All these plastics are in good shape. It's all in good shape. Like I said, guys, this is the model with speakers. They sit in here. Let me see how many. This thing's got 11,079 miles on it. It's got a place to mount your phone here. So I'm gonna put a RAM mount on here with this bar here. It has a charging cord if you have an iPhone. It's got the whole 9 yards here. It's got the screen. You'll be able to hook your phone up, do all your radio, everything. It's a 5-speed. It has the custom, this is aftermarket ball here. It has all those aftermarket, if you can see, like the pedal covers and stuff like that, or the pedals themselves now. They're all aftermarket, and these like plates here are aftermarket. And here we got a charging port here. Oh, it looks like that connects there to run it to this. We have the manual. 12 volt socket right there, 12 volt, yeah, right there. Guys, this is 2016 with 11,000 miles on it. This thing is in awesome shape. I absolutely love this. I love this steering wheel. It's so freaking comfortable. In your hands. Like I said, guys, 2016 Polaris Slingshot. Come check it out. This thing is not going to last long. I would give it only a week or two. This is definitely an awesome looking Slingshot. Like I said, guys, 2016 Polaris Slingshot SL. This thing has everything, guys, loaded. It's got a backup camera, whole 9 yards. Thanks a ton for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the test drive video on this bike, as well as follow us on Instagram at Srkcycles. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.